day 2 here in MSC Europa. Ayan. Nag-book po kami ng overnight stay here sa MSC. So, time check. It's 7 in the morning. And we are heading to the deck. 18th deck or deck 18 to check the view outside. So, I'll show you the way. And so we're heading to the 18th floor. 18, 19, and 20. Actually, you can go to the 20th floor. Good morning! Hello, good morning.
Yes.
Deck 18.
So we're on deck 18 na and we're going here. Hello guys! For today's video, I am going to tour you around MSC Europa cruise ship and will show you the leisure, recreation, and wellness center of this cruise ship. So on this area guys, ito po yung tinatawag nila na Botanic Garden Pool. So dito po ay green garden setup at indoor po ang pool nila. However, it offers enough natural light to ensure na hindi niyo po mamimiss out yung liwanag. And you can also enjoy the relaxing time at the adults only Zen pool. So this area is what you call the lake. Ito po yung main pool. And meron din po mga jacuzzis around. And also dito po yung area kung saan marami po kayong makikitang sunbeds. Tara guys, akyat tayo sa hagdan at tingnan natin yung view ng the lake sa taas. So this is the view of La Plague dito po sa taas, sa upper deck. Ayan, mapapansin po ninyo may malaking screen and this outdoor pool. Ang dami na pong nakalatag na sunbeds. So, this is the amazing view na makikita po ninyo dito sa cruise ship. Ayan, so mapapansin nyo on the left side. Ayan po yung tinatawag na Mina District. On the right side, yan naman po ang tinatawag na West Bay. So, ito po yung isa sa mga jacuzzis na makikita niyo po dito sa loob ng MSC World Europa. Let's take a
closer look dito po sa Mina District. And here on the right, ayan po, makikita ninyo ang mga high-rise buildings. The area is called West Bay. Here guys, you will see the logo of MSC Europa. On this area naman po guys, dito po ninyo makikita ang spa for ladies. So this area is what they call the thermal area, or kung sa atin sa Pinas ang tawag natin dito ay sauna. Fitness lovers, they also have a space wherein they call the MSC Gym, powered by Techno Gym. So now we're here on deck 20, and dito po makikita natin ang the Aqua Park. So this area features a lot of kids pool and slides for all the family. Tara guys, akyat naman tayo to see the sun deck and the whirlpools. So this is the sun deck area. So kung feel nyong mag-sunbathing, ay dito po kayo tumambay sa deck 20. And here is one of the whirlpools that they have here inside the MSC Europa cruise ship. Amazing po talaga ang view, no guys, dito po sa sun deck ng MSC. This is the view of the promenade from this deck. Ayan, ang taas po talaga niya, guys. Here is one of the giant slides that kids and the family will enjoy. Thank you guys for watching the part 1 of our MSC World Europa walk tour. Stay tuned for part 2 next week. As I always say, be grateful, be kind, be blessed.